Hi guys, I'm John and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make bacon and cheese waffles. These waffles are so delicious, very easy to make. You can make them for Mother's Day, it's around the corner, so surprise your mother with a brunch and include this recipe. I want to give a big thanks to Elcom for sending me this waffle maker. I really love this waffle maker because it is dishwashable safe, so you can remove the plate and pop it into the dishwasher. You don't have to worry about it, and it is very easy to store. I really love it. You can make 2 waffles like in 5 minutes. And so if you want to buy this, it will be in the description box. Use the code that I have there so you could get 20% off. So yeah, what's better than that? So let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing that we're going to do, so in this bowl I have all my dry ingredients, which is some all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, and sugar. I'm gonna mix that all together and set it aside. In a separate jug, I have my milk, and I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs and my melted butter, and using a fork, I'm gonna whisk everything together until the eggs are well dissolved. So now let's bring everything together. As you can see, this is so easy. So you're gonna take your wet ingredients and add them into your dry. You're also gonna go ahead and add some green onions, some cheddar cheese, and some bacon. Mix everything together until well combined, until you don't see no flour bits. So while you prepare your waffle maker, you're gonna let your batter sit on the counter like for a few minutes until our waffle maker preheat. It will preheat like about in 4 minutes. You know it is preheated when the green light will go on. I like to brush the surface with a little bit of butter to prevent it from sticking, but with this waffle maker you don't have to worry because it is non-stick. I just like, the extra fat. That's just me. So I'm gonna take like half a cup of the batter and I'm gonna add it into each waffle, and you're gonna close the lid and you're gonna cook it there according to your waffles instructions. This will cook like in 4 minutes. You will know it's ready because it will start like steaming. So yeah. Once your waffle is ready, this is how it looks. They're nice and crispy and so delicious. I like to serve it with a little bit of maple syrup, and there you go. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for bacon and cheese waffles. The recipe will be in the description box, and if you're interested in buying this waffle maker, I also have a link there where you can buy it and use a coupon code to get 20% off. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.